Wow, like now I can see it? No, I can't. Oh, I'll go find your mom. Hi, Mom. She doesn't have a bottom lip.
Let's zoom in on that. Hold on. Oh wait, I'm all the way zoomed in.
Hold together. Hold together. It's a big doll. No, I'm not. No, I'm not.
We're all tired.
Crackheads.
Yeah, eyelash. Don't touch your face! Oh, Anna, that's a pretty ring you got. Can I have it? Can I have it? Can I? I'll kill you if you don't get it. She's like, seriously? I'll kill you right now.
I will cut you.
No, I will cut you.
She's like, get on now. I'll turn it off. Don't interrupt.
Rude.
Rude. I will cut you.
I will cut you. I got shoes, alright?
Well, I got Mardi Gras beads.
Guys.
You know there's a thing about
She
the Mardi
shakes
Gras beads, what they mean?
They
Really?
flash people for beads.
Which isn't good.
Megan.
What? I do it all the time.
You do?
I got lots of beads at home.
Hi, Mom.
If you're watching this, I don't know.
Keep your eyes open, suckers.
If you're watching this, you will die. No, I'm just kidding. Megan, you should like put her back in the box and then open her back up.
She's like standing
like,
up. Hello.
I'm back.
They're back. Don't you dare close this.
She's getting freaked out.
Hi, Caitlin. You better not put this on YouTube.
Well, it's going on YouTube.
I got string. I just can't get it right now. Help you.
Wait, okay, I'm zooming in. I'm gonna do that again.
I just did it.
Do it again.
Close this thing. Hello. I'm back.
She's so funny. Aw, you're so cute.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Do you want me to bring out my chainsaw?
You'll still be cute.
I told you I'm not violent. I just haven't shoot.
I'll beat you with my rattle.
See, my hair just looks this thick, but really I just have dangerous things in there. Things that will hurt you, so you better be
Be very afraid.
good night. Good night. So you think.
So you think, good night. So you...
Okay, now it's just getting me out.
Close it up.
What is she like? I opened it and then all
Megan's totally freaked out now. Oh, man. Oh, man. Say goodbye and good night.
Good night. So you think if you close this box, you don't even want to know.
You don't want to know.
Bye, YouTubers. Remember, never fall asleep again. Okay? I love you all. Good night. Sweet nightmares. Bye. Amber, what are you doing? Amber! If you touch a spoon, hand me the spoon, Amber. I'll hit you.
Okay.
Good night. Nah. Nah. Nice shorts, Amber. Nice shorts. Can I have them? Well, if you want to live, then you better. Not really, but Hi. You'll never see these people again. Say your goodbye. That doll has some. Shut up! Okay. Don't close the box. I'll make you suffer. Suffer this doll.
Oh.
I have a friend.
Like floating around. He's like, no. My coffee is talking.
Have some sweet dreams, you guys. Say goodbye to your little friends. Yeah, this doll. She's not alive.
Alright, I'm out.
Forever.
Forever.